this video, we will show you how to reset Epson Stylus C82 using adjustment programs. First, you can download these adjustment programs, the link on the description. After you download these adjustment programs, you need to right-click and choose Extract here. After that, open the folder. Then, run the adjustment program. Then, select particular adjustment mode. For interface, you can select your USB that are connected with your printer. For example, LPT1. Then, select Wash Inkpad Counter. After that, click the Read button. After you click Read button, then click Initialize button. After the resetter works, you can turn the program off. And you can turn off the printer also. After that, you can turn the printer on. If you encounter an error, make sure you are connected into your printer and your printer is on condition. Hope this video helpful for you.